Hi friends, in this video I will be telling you that how to make a Windows login system using RFID, and then later on you can change it to Mac, Chromebook or Linux, any OS. Then for this, but we need a Windows PC to code because it works on that only. So we will be using one RFID sensor, and along with this you will get these two RFID tag and RFID card, and we will be using this Arduino Uno, some jumper wires and one connection cable. So first of all I will tell you that how the wires are assembled. So we will use the RFID SDA port to I will tell you just a second, to -10. You can see red color wire to -10, then SCK wire to the -13, then MOSI wire to we are using this as MOSI for second third. So for the third wire this is as -11. Okay, so MOSI as -11, then MISO as -12. Yes, -12. Then GND to GND RST to -9. Then 3.3 to 3.3. If we will choose 5V, then it will be wrong. So now let's jump to the code. So first of all I will upload a new code. Yeah. First of all I will show you a demo that how it works. Just sleep it so that and the time I will get. So it's asking me for the password. What if I forgot or a quick login? Then just I will tap this here and see on the screen. Just a second. Okay, I forgot that I have removed all the code, so it will not work I think right now. Okay, it's not plugged in. I have not removed. So after a plugin, see what will happen. I just tap and it logged in. Now I will go to the file explorer and just open the folder that I gave in the description. Just downloaded this Windows RFID login, just 001. Now I will go to Arduino and put a blank code inside this so that we can start our coding from the beginning. File, new, upload. So it will give an error. I will just fix that error right now. Just a second. You don't need to do this. I am just doing because I have already made that. You just don't do it, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now it will work. Go to Arduino. Now I will just upload. Yes, now it's working. So after this, what I will do it, go to Uno Windows, read RFID. Inside this, just upload this code and choose from what thing you need the login. So for this video I am using this, or you can use this too. Then first of all just open the serial monitor. So it's open. I'll just tap on this, and after tap I got this unique ID of this tag, and it can't be opened without this tag or this ID. So now I will go to RFID login. Now the default that you will get is here 8 and here nothing. Okay, so in place of 8 just paste that code that you got. Then in the password, this string password, just type your computer's password. Okay, now just save it, and in case if it doesn't work on uploading, it gave you error, Then what to do is just go to Sketch, include library, add a zip library in downloads, in that folder that I gave you, Uno this libraries, in this RFID master zip folder. Just upload that, then it will work. Now I will just upload this code. So it's compiling. Now it's uploading. I'm just waiting for it. Yes, so it's now done. Now what to do is we will make our Uno board into a keyboard so that it can type on our screen. So for that we need a piece of metal. We will just put it into a DFU mode. Then just hover this metal over these 6 pins here, and whenever a orange light will come, that means that it is done. So I am waiting for it. So it came here in the L light and it gone, and my PC made a sound. Now just go to turn to keyboard. Now everything is passed. It's showing passed 11. If it's failed, then make it in DFU mode again. Now I will just press any key. Now remove this and plug it again. Okay, now I have done that. Now I will just make it, let's test. I will just make it asleep. Now I am opening it. So now in case I forgot my password or a quick login, I will just tap and see it's working. Now again I will show that how to tap, how I did the tap. So I am just opening it. So it's asking for password. Just tap like this here and it's logged in. Now if you want it to come back to its original state into Arduino, then just put it into the DFU mode. I will not do it right now, but just put it into DFU mode, then run this, turn into Arduino, then it will work. Okay, now I will test it on a Mac system, that is it working. I will just take this hole to my original PC, just place it and just connect the port. So I have connected. I can't code on this Mac, but I can try is it working or not, because I have the same password for both the PC. Now where's my RFID? So if I will tap with my this card, as I have not registered it, so let's see what will happen. On this tap, it's doing nothing because this is not registered in the system code. Now when I will tap this, so it's logged in, you can see. Now I will again go to the lock screen, then I will tap on it. Now it's logged in. So like that you can just again go to your Windows PC, and you can try it with other tags also. So for this video, that's all, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.